For most companies, operational project management involves a variety of disparate applications. Microsoft Project, Oracle Primavera, or Excel for managing schedules and resources, spreadsheets or homegrown applications for maintaining risk and issue registers, and the ERP for timesheets and progress reporting. Adeaca One represents a fundamentally different approach to project management by replacing these disconnected applications with a single integrated solution right inside your company's ERP, comprising all your project management processes, financial as well as operational. Similar to standalone project management software, Adeaca One encompasses all the PMO capabilities your company needs. From your work breakdown structure to resourcing, issue management, budgeting, compliance, and change management, it all resides in Adeaca One. Whether you're staffing your projects, ensuring materials arrive on time, checking scheduling metrics, or conducting your month-end process, Adeaca One has you covered. However, providing these foundational elements for project management is just the beginning. This comprehensive solution, now inside your ERP, is built in a completely different way that gives you and your company entirely new operational capabilities. Let's see how Adeaca One enhances normal functionality to bring project operations into a new paradigm. The main problem today with project operations when managed in isolated tools is that the larger organization remains unaware of the operational state of projects. What's the point of meticulously maintaining a project plan in Microsoft Project if the timeline remains invisible to team members, procurement, controllers, and finance? Since the project timeline is managed inside the ERP with Adeaca One, connections and links between the schedule and timesheets, procurement and production, and costing and billing are established, ensuring schedule changes do not go unnoticed, but rather align the entire organization. The fact that ancillary activities are based on the always current project plan also reduces the risk of schedule disruptions, increasing the likelihood that deadlines are met. This alignment elevates the role of project planners from simply planning to providing the master timeline against which everyone else plans their activities. From the initial schedule to any subsequent changes, the master timeline ripples through the organization so that adjustments and fine-tuning occur continuously, and not only when things have gone wrong. Let's look at a few examples of this kind of automation and enterprise alignment that Adeaca One provides. This schedule has been generated in Adeaca One, and because of that, we can directly leverage it for a range of related planning activities. For instance, in the cost breakdown structure, we can retrieve the hour estimates from the schedule and use these to build out our labor budget. We can also use the project timeline to accurately time phase our earned value estimates. As we define the payment plan for the contract, we can link the installments to the schedule, which time phases our revenue budget and enables us to generate accurate cash flow projections. The project timeline can also be directly applied to the MRP process, so the delivery schedule of purchase and production orders align with the project plan. Moreover, if delays are encountered in procurement or production, these are automatically applied as material constraints against the schedule. Identifying such deviations early on gives us time to make the necessary adjustments and reduce the disruption to the overall project. In this next scenario, we're staffing the project. Identifying suitable resources with the required skills and availability is only part of the challenge. Once a resource is assigned, we need to alert that team member. In Adeaca One, the timesheet interacts directly with the WBS and resource assignments. Project team members are presented with current assignments for easy and error-free time recording. Status updates, issues, and remaining work estimates can be fed back to the schedule directly from the timesheet, facilitating real-time collaboration between the planner and project team members. In this final example, the project has fallen behind schedule, so we're speeding up the plan by adding more resources. Increasing the work estimate not only requires more capacity, it also creates a future financial impact in the form of additional labor costs. Because the schedule is completely embedded within the ERP, the financial impact of WBS changes can be deducted and reported immediately. In Adeaca One, all changes to the WBS are captured in change sets. A change set outlines the exact changes committed to the WBS as well as the financial impact. Change sets are approved as part of the month-end process and may be designated as part of a change order. Here in a project change order, I can copy one or more change sets and use the estimates contained within as a baseline for the contract variation we're submitting to the client. In the costing sheet, we need to periodically evaluate the required cost to complete the project. This in turn provides us with estimated completion, project variances, completion degrees, and a range of additional metrics. Once again, we can leverage the information contained in the WBS to update the cost to complete. This ensures that our financial estimates are up to date and align with the operational plan. As these few examples show, breaking down the traditional barriers between financial and operational project management unlocks new possibilities to automate and align business processes across the enterprise. Embedding key operational processes like scheduling and staffing within the ERP provides company-wide visibility and transparency, while elevating the project plan to its rightful place at the center of project management. No longer are project plans confined to the planner's whiteboard or own computer. Instead, the schedule becomes a dynamic central planning entity, fostering enterprise-wide collaboration and alignment. Reach out to us today to receive your own personalized demonstration of Adeaca One and learn more how we can help your project business.